20 minutes ng inyong hapon. Ako po si Boy, and welcome to Fast Talk. Maraming salamat.
Wala pa akong taping days na hindi ako emotional. So talagang pagdating mo sa set, seryoso lahat. Kasi talagang sa jail kami nag-shoot.
Right.
So it's a half family really. But when you're on set and you know it's serious because you're in a real place, you smell everything, everything is authentic, and you have wonderful people around you. So kahit mahirap yung eksena, we have the best directors like Jerry Sineneng.
Executive that Jerry's back with television.
Oh, so happy.
Napakahusay. Jessica.
Well, it's an experience for me na mag-shoot sa actual prison, a jail. First time kong maranasan yun. And gaya na sabi ni Ayan, the realism is there. Kasi naamoy mo, nakikita mo. And if there's one thing na na-develop ko dun, Boy, is more empathy for our PDs. Kasi based on the script, pinapakita ng script ng prinsesa yung human side ng pagiging bilanggo. Especially yung role ko as Ben-Hur na parang confident ni jail guard DP.
Well, it's a different world, Boy. Akala ng iba, it's parang ang saya-saya na ng buhay mo, bakit ka pa umalis, o bakit ka pa, why did you turn your back? Of course, marami ng storya at nakakatawa kasi minsan pag nababasa ko, parang iba-iba. Kasi they're making it sound as if parang you had it easy na, So what I mean is, it's difficult. It's difficult. Comparing my life now and then, hindi ko ipagpapalit yung buhay ko ngayon. Yeah. Kasi siguro, kompleto yung pamilya ko and meron akong asawa na present sa buhay ko.
Yes.
Yeah. I guess that makes it
Yeah, I understand.
It's more of growing with mutual respect. Like in our case, we're very fortunate that our kids grew up to be very respectful, very loving, but also very parang barkada lang namin. And I don't know how really it happened, Boy, but it's a beautiful mix. Like you said, it's a happy mix of treating us like the parents that we are to them, but at the same time, nakikipagbiruan. Like my daughter loves to make fun of me, you know, and I love it.
Pareho. I guess hindi may boundary, importanteng boundary. Alam ng mga bata na, you know, they cannot speak to us like friends. Iba yung, you know, kailangan tandaan pa rin nila na magulang pa rin kami. Like the opo is still there. We respect though their boundaries. And then when we talk about fun things, that's when, you know, para kami magkakaibigan. But kailangan medyo nakikita at nararamdaman nila yung boundary na hindi kami pwedeng kausapin na para kami, hey, kaibigan lang kayo. I guess the friendship there would come probably pagka gusto mong may sinasabi sa yung lahat. But let's be realistic, hindi naman nila sinasabi lahat.
Ayan, Queen, Princess.
Queen.
Social Dolos. Glamorosa, Celosa.
Glamorosa.
Teleserye, stage play.
Ay, both.
Tuwing kailan ka mabait.
Araw-araw.
Tuwing kailan ka masungit.
Pag hindi ako nakakain.
Tuwing kailan ka pinakamaganda.
Pag gising ko.
What makes you beautiful?
My love for my family.
What makes you sexy?
When I feel like I'm exercising.
What makes Franco hot?
Oh, his face.
Guilty or not guilty? May pinagselosa ang artista.
Guilty.
Franco, ha? Lights on or lights off?
Lights off.
Happiness or chocolate?
Happiness.
Best time for happiness.
Anytime.
Rock, ballad.
Rock.
Drama, musical.
Musical.
Cassette album, digital album.
Cassette.
Big venue, intimate.
Intimate.
Guilty or not guilty? May naging girlfriend na artista. Guilty or not guilty? Kumanta ng lasing.
Guilty.
Lights on or lights off?
Lights off.
Happiness or chocolate?
Happiness.
Best time for happiness.
Lights off.
Complete sentence. Isang bagay na pinagpapasalamat mo ngayon, ano ito?
Family.
Oh.
Yung pinanta ko kanina, Moon River, because it says a lot about the vastness of how wonderful the world is and ang dami pang ipupursue, you know, sa buhay. I guess that's it. napanood ko ang Bar Boys, ang pelikula ng Himala, hindi pa, pero napanood ko yung stage play. I think it's about time na gawin pa ng mas marami yung ganyan kasi hindi lang education or something that the kids and the younger generation will like. I mean, maganda siyang exposure para sa mga bata at ang daming magandang material actually na pwedeng gawing movie. Actually, yung ginagawa ko ngayon, super challenge sa akin. It's something really, really new because nasa prison ako nito. And then ex-con, alam mo yun. Gusto ko naman gumawa nung hindi ka nagsasalita. Not necessarily pipi ka, but hindi ka lang nagsasalita. It's all reaction, it's all inside, from the inside. And then it just shows on your face, something like that.
It's a love song, universal ang tema niya. It's about two people who are very much in love, very much into each other, pero dahil sa panahon nagkalayo sila, nagkalayo mga pananaw, and the person singing the song is hoping na sana sa isang araw makilala niyang muli yung taong nakilala niya dati. Very possible. In fact, gumawa na kami ng musical noon na mga before 2010. Gumawa na kami with the CCP, Cultural Center of the Philippines. And may mga lumalapit, may mga nagbo-broach yung idea na baka makagawa ng musical featuring the songs of the Dawn. So why not? It's very possible, yeah. Wow. Well, ako personally, I do a lot of walking, sometimes running, and sometimes boxing, anything na magpapawis. And really, try to get into music, learn an instrument, or learn how to sing. Music really keeps you young, I think.
Of course, it's always nice to talk to Boy because we've gone a long way. Doon pa, maraming na kaming ginawa na interview. And always fun, we're talking to Boy, and I love being with Boy in any of his shows. Nag-guest ko na lahat, so I'm happy, and now he's here.
I've always seen Boy as a friend. Matagal ko na siyang kilala, 80s pa, kahit ayaw niyang aminin, but he's a good friend. He's very intelligent, very witty, and it's always great to guest in his show dahil ang ganda ng mga questions niya, talagang may engganyo ka makapagkwentuhan sa kanya in front of the camera. So, more power, Boy, and fast talk.